afternoon viewers, welcome back to Balghari Kitchen. You're watching my YouTube channel Balghari Kitchen, and today in Balghari Kitchen I bring another super duper dish, which is chicken chili bean sauce. So keep watching Balghari Kitchen. In this video you can learn how to make chicken chili bean sauce. So I'm going to take you my kitchen where I prepare all my ingredients. If you're not yet subscribed Balghari Kitchen, please do subscribe Balghari Kitchen, share to friends and family, and don't forget to give your lovely comment in the comment section. So let me take you to my kitchen where I prepare all the ingredients for chicken chili bean sauce. Here I have already cut sliced chicken, some sliced mushroom, some red bell peppers, green bell peppers, yellow bell peppers, cornstarch, onion, some sliced carrot, and chopped garlic. I use a lot of garlic in my cooking because I love garlic because it's very healthy. Some spring onion, and this is chili bean sauce. In next videos I'm going to show you how to make this sauce. Oyster sauce, soya sauce, canola cooking oil, sesame oil, sugar, white pepper. So please keep watching Balghari Kitchen. For this video I'm going to start my cooking. So viewers, let's start our cooking. First of all, I'm going to marinate my chicken. Take a bowl, adding my chicken to it. Add some white pepper, 2 spoons of soya sauce, some cooking oil, mix nicely, garlic as well, together to give nice aroma. So our chicken is ready. So let's start our cooking. Here I have already frying pan which is very hot. I'm going to add some oil. Adding oil. Then going to add our chicken. And stir fry nicely until it's cooked. Keep cooking 4 to 5 minutes until it's cooked. And I will fry it. So keep cooking until it's done chicken. Look at this. Once this oil is cooking, start changing color. Nice aroma of garlic. Almost our chicken is cooked, so I'm going to strain it out. Adding oil on the pan. A lot of garlic. As you know, I love garlic. I love garlic in my cooking. Stir for 30 seconds. Add mushrooms. Saute for 1 minute. Stir nicely. Reduce the heat a bit. And add onion as well. Stir fry all together. Add the carrot, bell pepper, yellow bell pepper, green bell pepper, and red bell peppers as well. Stir fry nicely. Little soft. Stir fry 3 to 4 minutes these vegetables. Now it's time to add our chili bean sauce. Add the chili bean sauce. Mix nicely. Add oyster sauce. 1 spoon soya sauce, white pepper, half teaspoon sugar, reduce the little bit spice level, and cook and stir fry nicely. So now almost our vegetables are nicely stir fried done, I'm going to add chicken. Mix all together with the sauce until it's hot. Add the spring onions. Now it's time to add sesame oil, half teaspoon. This will give very nice aroma. Wow, smells good, very nice. Now I have already here dissolved some corn flour in water. I'm going to add a little bit for thick. So it will be thick. Look at this. You can see the corn flour coated with the chicken. And looks delicious. So now our chicken chili bean sauce is almost ready. Switch off the flame and going to dish out. And let's dish out our chicken chili bean sauce on the plate. Here you go. Wow, it's very nice. Smells, sounds good. So viewers, our delicious chicken chili bean sauce is ready. Let's try some. Wow, let me try some chicken. Wow. It's very delicious. You believe or not, you have to try it. But it's super delicious. So you are going to taste. It's very super delicious. You can serve this one with any kind of rice. I prefer with white rice. It's very delicious with white rice. So keep watching Balghari Kitchen. Stay tuned Balghari Kitchen. Share it to friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe Balghari Kitchen. And end of the day, I request all my viewers to don't forget to give your beautiful comments in comment section. Thank you so much for watching Balghari Kitchen. Have a great day.